there on Daddy's bed. What do we got, Janet? And who's that?
Where?
And this one?
Sheepy.
That's an owl.
Sheep.
That's not a sheep. One has wool, one has feathers. One eats grass, one eats animals.
And the sky.
How's there fish in the sky?
An elephant too.
Oh, and elephants and fish.
No more big cupcake.
No, the big cupcake went away. I think the fish and elephant ate it. Is that sad? Is
Elephant's sad.
it? Why is the elephant sad? I thought he would be happy. He ate a cupcake.
Oh, he eat the cupcake.
Yeah? That's how he eats the cupcake?
Yeah.
Was it tasty?
Nope.
Nope, it was a yucky one. Is that why he's sad?
Yeah.
What kind of cupcake was it?
It's chocolate.
Oh, it was chocolate cupcake. Well, isn't that tasty?
Yeah. Monster!
No monster.
Oh, no. Close your eyes and go to sleep and watch Pocoyo.
Yes, you got it.
Look at you, Mommy. Look at you. And Daddy too.
Yeah, and Daddy too.
Look at your face.
Look at your face, Mummy. Look at your face. That's a shadow. See, look. Daddy's hand. What is it?
A monster.
Was that the doggy?
Kangaroo.
A kangaroo.
Like a kangaroo. Hop, up, up, up. Hop, hop.
That's enough playtime in bed. We need to get you sleeping because you're tired, sweet sugar.
We're tired.
Yep. We have to watch Pocoyo. So let's fall asleep.
There's the monster.
There's no monster. There's just doggies and birdies and fish and elephants and cupcakes and unicorns and ponies. Oh my! Let's go.
Elephant and cupcake and pony.
Yes, yes. Let's go to sleep. Start sleeping.
Start sleeping.
Yes, you, Janet. Sleeping
Oh.
time. Hey,
Look at the ceiling again. Look, Daddy. Hands.
Janet.
There are Janet hands.
Yes, those are your hands. Close your eyes, please. Come on. Hey.
If we not see Pocoyo.
Yes, if you want to watch Pocoyo, you have to fall asleep. When you wake up, you watch Pocoyo. Okay? So let's play a little game called Who Can Fall Asleep the Quickest. Daddy's gonna win. It's a race. You're losing horribly.
And Pooper gets sleep too.
Yep, Pooh Bear can sleep, Monkey can sleep, Owl can sleep, and guess what? Even you! You can sleep too.
Good night, everyone. Thanks for watching Daddy Girl. See you next time. Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe.